Jerry Security Salvador. So you may call me here, so that is GER. And ako po ay kasalukuyan tumatakbo sa Discipline Committee. So allow me to share my credentials po. So back in senior high school, ako ang president po sa kada term po natin. So the first term and second term ako po yung president, grade 11 and grade 12. And I joined the Supreme Student Commission on Election, which is the parang SEC sa PNU when I was in grade 11. So ako po ay member ng working committee, and by grade 12 po, ako ay na-appoint bilang vice chairperson po ng ESCOM, ng Student Commission on Election. So during that time po is nahasa po yung leadership experience. So, to tell you honestly, I only started my leadership experience in senior high school pa. So, medyo busy baby student leader pa lang ako. So, I still have a lot to learn. Pero within those time po of 2 years of student leadership, I learned a lot po, especially sa mga seniors ko, sa mga classmates ko, and to those people na sumusuporta po sa akin throughout this journey. Coming here po sa PNU, medyo nervous pa ako kasi napakabago po yung environment here, especially sa pamamahala and such. So there were a lot of adjusting, pero it was a self-discovery kahit pa paano rin sa akin kasi I joined different organizations. So, kasalukuyan ako po ay member po ng PNU SGCC, which is yung Student Gender Development Commission. So, and kasalukuyan po, ako ay part po ng first year assembly. Ako po yung appointed Sergeant at Arms. So, kaya po ako tumatakbo bilang discipline committee is because very aligned po siya doon sa kasalukuyan po pong posisyon sa FYA, which is yung pag titingin po ng discipline po ng kada members po ng organization. So, as far as I know, the discipline committee is similar po siya sa Blue Ribbons Committee, wherein nag-act po yung Blue Ribbons Committee whenever there is an alleged corruption. So, sana man lang wala, pero still, I am here standing if ever sa posisyon na yon na mag-investigate dahil bilang Sergeant at Arms po ng FYA ay nasa akin po yung mga different mandates po. Nasa akin po yung mga constitution, yung mga legal mandates. So, hawak po yung mga proper na pwedeng sanction, no, na pwedeng ma-impose. So, if we're po kayo sa conflict of interest dahil parang dami kong side quest sa buhay ko right now sa first year ko. Pero I would like to tell you na need not to worry kasi yung parents na pinagtatrabuhan ko is quite similar lang din yung bilang disciplinary officer. So, ayun lang po yung masasabi ko right now. And to tell you honestly, medyo nanginginig na mangga kasi we are still getting to know each other. Pero, magkakasama tayo for 3 years. So, I hope na maging meaningful po ang ating experiences. And sana po na we get along well. So, po, thank you.